Welcome to this review of this very Star Trek looking Samsung E720, which was released in 2005. The E720 used the mini SIM, was only 80 grams in weight and had dimensions of 90 by 45 by 23.3 millimeters. Armed with a 1 megapixel camera, it was video capable and had an LED flash. Got some example videos and pictures coming up shortly. The external display was 96 by 96 pixels, the main display at 256,000 colours, resolution of 176 by 220. One of the downsides of this particular model was the fact it didn't have a card slot. Thankfully it did have Bluetooth and had internally 90 meg of memory. Here's how the advertisement for the E720 would have looked back in 2005. Typical for mobile phones around that particular era, there wasn't any loudspeaker or 3.5mm jack. However, you could have MP3 ringtones, downloadable polyphonic ringtones and vibration alert. Here's some video footage of the E720's 1 megapixel camera capability. A couple of Sony Ericssons in there. As mentioned earlier, there wasn't any wireless LAN or radio or GPS. However, there was Bluetooth, which made transferring the footage that you can see to another mobile which had a memory slot available. Some of the features available included predictive text, you had a voice memo and obviously MP3 and video player. It also came with a WAP browser and was Java enabled. Messaging was through MMS, email, EMS and of course SMS. Seemingly there were two different batteries you could get. The 800 mAh gave you standby time of around 210 hours and talk time of around 5 hours. The 1000 mAh gave you 260 hours standby and talk time of around 7 hours. Main pros of this particular model was the fact it had Bluetooth. It is quite an attractive design and had an MP3 and MP4 player. Main disadvantages were it didn't have infrared and unfortunately it didn't have a memory card slot either. Hope you've enjoyed this quick review of the E720. If you have, hit the like, subscribe and the bell. If you've had this phone, leave a few comments down in the comments section. Thanks for watching Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews.